Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and we're fixing to decorate. Hey, Facebook is good. Yay. Hey, tell me I'm live. So, y'all say hi when you get on, but we're going to decorate my dining room table and we're going to decorate my mantle. So, I thought, well, I need to do it, and what better way than to just jump on and say hi. I did not announce that I was coming on, so it may take few minutes for people to realize that I'm on live. So y'all say hi when you get here, and this is what we're gonna do. Good morning, Virginia. How are you? Welcome. We're fixing to change out this dough bowl. And last year, when Hobby Lobby ran, okay, I'm not even in the picture, am I? Ran their Easter stuff on clearance, I picked up this cute little table runner. I think it was 90% off, so I didn't give very much for it. So, and 2 years ago, when I first started my crafting page, I made these. I know a lot of people are making them now, but I dug mine out and I said, well, I'm going to use them. And this is just some little wood pieces that you can get in a bag from Hobby Lobby. And I just glued them together. And I think they're really cute. So here we go. And this is what my dough bowl looks like now. And let's see. I'll try to get y'all up closer here. Okay, and I'm not going to add a lot of stuff, but here's what I'm going to do. This is what was on here, and this was just 2 of the Battenberg lace table placemats. So I just had those in there and had the little piece of lace sticking out on each end. So, and that's just how I did that. So what I'm going to do, I like silver. I don't like it pretty and shiny. So, and this is just a little cheap glass candle holder. I put a doily on it, and these are on a timer. You can time them on to stay on 4 or 6 hours, whatever, and go off, and the next day they'll come on at the same time. I guess I need to get this out of the way so y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm going to switch my doily around here, and I'm going to leave it kind of catty corner. I'm going to put this back in here. We'll take the lid off. I'm going to take this and put it just like that. And it's not glued or anything, so you can change it around anytime you'd like. This is a little silver piece. I love it. Y'all, I hit a jackpot. This lady on Market, about an hour and a half from here, had a whole box of silver. And she put it on the marketplace that she wanted $60 for the whole box. And it had several of these, it had platters, all kind of stuff, little pieces. And so I told my husband, I said, we're going to get that. So he drove me to get that. So anyway, I'm gonna use that, but I'm gonna put my greenery back in here, like so. I'm gonna kind of leave it, you know, where it doesn't have to go all the way around. I'm gonna put the lid just there on the side. And then I'm gonna take my bunnies, well, I'm gonna use this candle holder and prop it. And then I have these 3 little carrots tied together. We're gonna put them right there. I'm gonna take this table runner. Y'all, we're gonna do the mantle next. And I'm gonna throw it right here. And that's how simple it is to just change out real quick. So I used everything except for these and just added my bunnies and carrots and just changed it around a little bit. So that's how simple that was. So can y'all see that? And then I've got y'all on a tripod, so I'm having to move. And I had videos on all morning, so my battery was kind of low. So now let's go into the living room and we will do, I should have took a before picture, but I didn't. We'll do my mantle real quick. So hold on, maybe I won't make y'all drunk. We'll turn this light off and knock stuff down. Okay, here we go. Maybe I won't make y'all dizzy and drunk while I'm moving. Okay. Let's get this set up here. And this is what it looks like now. And there is a Christmas tree. But it doesn't have nothing but a few little twinkle lights on it and some little beads. I like the country farmhouse, but I like a little bit of pearls and lace also. So if y'all caught my live last night, we made this carrot wreath made out of the cocoa liners that you get from the Dollar Tree, and it took 6. So we made carrot cocoa wreath. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take down the angel wings. I love this picture. It says his mercies are new every morning, and I love that. I got it from Hobby Lobby and then I painted it. Once I got it, I added some white to it. So here we go. We're gonna hang that up there. And it doesn't scream Easter because it doesn't have Easter bunnies on it or anything like that. So it could stay up all spring. Okay. Now I'm gonna add, I got this greenery and it's got long vines coming down it. I got this from Hobby Lobby, 50% off, and you do want to wait until they have it on sale because it's a little pricey. So I waited until they went 50% off and got that. Okay. Let's see here. I like how they just drape down until they all fall, and then they're all draping down, aren't they? I may end up having to get a little pin or something. I may take some long ones and just flip them back up a little bit. I thought this vine was so pretty though, with all the little vines hanging. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next, I have this candle holder, and use what you've got. Although it's not the right color that I'm decorating with, I'm gonna take this doily. I'm gonna put it right here. Let's see, just draping that little doily over. Y'all see? Let's see if I can move you a little bit. I'm trying to keep it all in the camera, but getting close enough where y'all might can see. I've got a shelf sitter, and I'm gonna have to cut that little tag off. Got a little shelf sitter bunny. I'm gonna put her right there. And then let's see. I got this bunny also. Isn't she cute? I like her. Put her there. So I'll probably put the carrots on this side. And y'all, we made these carrots. Y'all can go back and watch this video. This is those jute carrots that we made. Aren't they cute? And I just barely put a little bit of orange paint on them. And all that is just jute twine. It's just rope basically. And we make carrots. So we're gonna lay these right here. And like I said, use what you got. I've got this clear bowl and I'm gonna set it upside down behind this bunny because I want some height. And I've had this little arrangement, ashamed to say, but probably 30 years. And I'm just gonna sit it behind the bunny, but I wanted it to be tall, so everything's just not so low. These are little crosses that came from the Dollar Tree. Y'all, it literally took me 5 minutes. You put some Mod Podge, and I'll show y'all, I'll do some more. Mod Podge, scrapbook paper, and then Mod Podge over them. I take a little, you use sandpaper or a file, a nail file, and file the edges off, and you have a cute little ornament. So let's make sure you can see right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the little crosses. They're a little heavy for this little tree, so I'm just gonna put them up in there like that. So your tree doesn't have to be just for Christmas. It can be all year. And I never did get anything decorated for Valentine's. It just wasn't in me. Sometimes life just gets a little hectic. So these little eggs are styrofoam. And this one is actually a napkin that I Mod Podged over. This one is, I bought a book from the Dollar Tree and I just tore pages out of it, little bitty scraps, and Mod Podged that. This little egg, and they're all foam on the inside, is nothing but moss, and I glued that on there. So I'm just gonna set these up in there, and I may come back and add some more because this, I wasn't really planning to go live this morning or decorate, but I said, why not? And the green one may not show up too good up there, so I may just set it right down here. So, and if y'all sprinkle the video, I have a banner. It's the farmhouse, buffalo, black and white buffalo plaid. If y'all sprinkle the video, which means S-H-A-R-E, Facebook does not like it for us to say that word. I will mail this. I'll pick somebody tomorrow. I'll put everybody's name in a drawing and draw somebody's name to ship this out to them. So if you sprinkle the video, come back and let me know that you sprinkled it, and I'll pick a name. I'll make a post because I'm not going to go messaging a bunch of people, but I'll make a post of whose name I draw. If y'all sprinkle the video and come back and say that you sprinkled it, I'll put your name in a drawing for this little banner. I'll draw that tomorrow, and then I can ship it out Monday morning. Okay, so I appreciate y'all watching. I hope that I inspired you to do a little decorating, and it doesn't take a whole lot. I got this bunny last year at Hobby Lobby after Christmas for 90% off. This one I got, and so I didn't pay but a couple dollars for each one. I think this one was ended up being $4 because I got it on sale. So Thank you, Virginia. I appreciate it so very much. And y'all let me know that you sprinkled and shared, and I'll make a post tomorrow, and then y'all can send me your address once I announce the winner. But if y'all didn't see us make the wreath last night, you can go back and watch it. It's simple and it's not expensive. It's just see if I can get y'all up close to it. It's made out of cocoa liners and just some little greenery and Spanish moss. And the backing is actually cardboard and a wreath. There goes that. Wreath form from the Dollar Tree. So I think it turned out cute. And that's all I have for right now. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me this Saturday morning. And I've got a few more ornaments to make, so I may possibly be back on this evening or sometime. Thank y'all. Y'all have a blessed and wonderful weekend. See y'all later. Bye-bye.